storm warnings here in Hollywood Beach. Getting some of those bands from Hurricane Helene. See the rough surf. It's very windy, very, very windy. 35, maybe 40-mile-an-hour gusts of wind. Definitely would be hard to live stream in, that's for sure. So it's going to get windy, so I'm going to look down the south here. Wow, very windy, huh? We haven't had much rain from this. I mean, we get some rain that comes in, it'll pour rain maybe 5-10 minutes, then it'll stop, get a break, maybe an hour later it'll do it again. So you're having those outer bands from Helene that are coming across this area to Miami, to Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale. So the most we're getting is the high winds and the rough surf, but not really much of a rain event here in Hollywood, in this area. Let me zoom in a little bit here on the rough surf. So of course the Gulf of Mexico and the west side of the west coast of Florida is getting hit pretty hard. So keep those people in our prayers, because it's going to be a lot of catastrophic damage with the rough surf, the high winds. I think it's a Cat 3, Cat 4, I'm not sure, while I'm doing this video. I wanted to do a live stream, it's just too windy to do it, so I figured let me upload a video to YouTube. I know it's going to be a little windy on your end, so I apologize. I'm trying to do the best with my microphone. Holding the phone. So we're looking towards the south. You can see the high winds and the sand blowing. Woo! Please don't forget to give this video a like and share it out, please. I really would appreciate it. Again, this is Hollywood Beach, Florida, a deserted broadwalk. Early evening here. I think it's about what, 5, maybe 5:30 Thursday evening. This is the bands from Hurricane Helene. So we're under tropical storm warning here in Hollywood Beach. But like I said earlier in the video, not much of a rain event. It's more high winds, rough surf. Get your people out taking videos like myself. Alright everybody, please like and share the video. Thanks for stopping in. And again, this is Hollywood Beach under tropical storm warnings from Hurricane Helene. That's out on the west coast in the Gulf of Mexico. We're getting high winds, rough surf here. Probably 35, gusting over 45-mile-an-hour winds here in this area. Take care, everybody. Much peace and love from Hollywood Beach, Florida.